Okay, this is going to be a close-up video on Lucas's mouth while he eats the cracker. And he just sees the camera because it's so close, and he's really distracted by it. You just eat your cracker, bud. You just chew on that cracker. Chew away. I want the camera!
Look at his food is stuck to his shirt.
He's got most of it in his mouth now.
And his nose.
And his nose. That's pretty gross.
He has a bunch in his mouth. Look at that. Gross. Yummy! Yummy! That looks so delicious. Oh, be sure to wipe it everywhere you can. Yeah. You missed some right here. You can wipe it there too. He's got a lot in there. He's probably sucking on it.
He's going to choke on it.
He's trying to pull it out. Look at his hand. Oh, buddy.
He really wants to play with the camera.
He loves the camera. Hey! Oh, yeah.
Alright, buddy, say goodbye.
Peace out.
Bye.